were you considering this idea of building something called as a yoga bar or a breakfast alternative or a protein bar at any point of time, or it happened at that point of time?
No. So, I mean, obviously I knew I wanted to be an entrepreneur.
Sure.
I had already tasted being an entrepreneur with a finance company.
Yes.
I also understood, because I had seen everybody's accounts, I knew the value of building a brand.
Sure.
I knew I had this trademark. I knew that healthy food, India is going to see it. So the opportunity you have to be able to see. And yeah, I at some point of time I realized that yes, it's a good idea to pursue.
Interesting.
And I was already consuming it by the, like, and then my mother had done one more thing. For Diwali, that company was called FinAdvantage. For Diwali, she had made the Diwali boxes for everybody with these bars. With yoga bars. With clean wrapping. And then and then everybody who ate the bar was like, "Kahan milta hai?
कैसे बनाया
कैसे बनाया आपने?" So, and then small, and I used to tell people in FinAdvantage, like, then we started with one more yoga studio. I used to go to this 1,000 yoga at that point of time. तो मैंने stand लगा दिया और मेरी माँ की बार वहाँ भी लगा दिया.
Okay.
So, and everybody, like, you see the customers coming back and saying, और वहाँ like 20-25,000 in one yoga studio in 1 month we used to sell.
This is before you met the investor.
Before I met Kanwal. ये नहीं है कि आप, I have a great idea, मुझे पैसा चाहिए. ऐसे, like, if I had just gone to him with no context, it would have been very difficult. You need to develop, you need to have enough people to back. If somebody makes that phone call, your reputation is your primary asset in life.
Absolutely.
So that is really important. So I had crossed that bridge. Kanwal already really liked me as a professional. And then when I was telling him, when I talked to him, there was a certain credibility, because when I asked him questions, I'm like, अगर ये कुछ होता है और हम कंपनी नहीं बन पाएंगे तो मैं पैसा कैसे वापस करूंगी. So he knew that I would be responsible with his money, because मैं नहीं पूछ रही थी कि
और पैसे कैसे मिलेगा, क्या करना चाहिए.
So he also knew I would always approach it thinking about him. मैं आपके बारे में भी सोच रही हूँ.
Right.
So, and then he said, कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास, like, I can take that risk and I would be happy to see somebody like you succeed.
Amazing. Okay. You got the seed investment of 25 lakh rupees.
Correct. So then we got a small setup very close to the house. Both Anandita and me went to Coimbatore, went to chicky manufacturers. इसको कैसे commercialize करें? क्योंकि 100 bars तो नहीं बना सकते. You have to do a business, you have to at least prove that you can sell 10,000 bars.
Sure.
So basic setup किया. We took a small place on rent. And then we tried to commercialize the whole thing in a small setup. In this 25 lakhs में क्या क्या हो सकता है? सब कुछ कर दिया. Then we also applied to Vijaya Bank for a loan. So हमने ये नहीं सोचा कि कहाँ से जल्दी पैसा उठाए. We didn't do that. So the government actually has a scheme. So I'm a finance person, and here's where it comes handy. There are enough schemes by the government.
Okay.
There's something called a CGT MSC scheme. Okay, where the central government guarantees up to 1 crore of any loan that you take from a bank, from a public sector bank. So and the loan interest rates are between 7 to 8%. So you take the loan from the public bank, the central government actually guarantees the loan on your behalf. This is a scheme run by the
collateral देने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Collateral देने की, मेरे पास कौन सा collateral? Exactly. So no, there is no collateral. The beyond 1 crore, the central government can't guarantee, but there's a scheme in the government, because the government's objective is to also increase employment. And there are lots of schemes available. We have availed every single scheme. We've worked very closely with the government. And so we took it under the CGT MSC scheme. So obviously your interest rates are really low.
Which is still 7-8%.
7-8%, but you get 5 years to repay that money.
Sure.
And agar you take a job later on, if your company doesn't work, you'll still be able to replace it.
Correct.
And you only true up the loan you can draw down only how much you need. वो 1 crore ka, you open the account, you only draw down how much you need for the business.
Got it. So
that's how we
25 lakh
and
1 more crore. Okay.
And that's more than enough.